2000 Isuzu Rodeo. I just had to have it towed home. I'd like to show you why. Down underneath of it here, rear tire, look at here. Broke it clean out of the friggin' frame. Body was trying, or the body was climbing up on the tires. Look at that shit. Broke it clean out of the damn frame. I'd say about my only option, she's headed to the fucking junkyard. The thing about it is, a lot of people don't know it. These things are not treated with salt repellent, so salt eats them. I wouldn't recommend one of these to anybody. I don't care if somebody gives you 5 of them, tell them no. This is just ridiculous. 99% of them are sitting in junkyards because the frame's gone. Look at this shit. So what's wrong with it? It's done. It's 2000. Just retimed it, new brakes, everything, and then this happened today, but thank God I wasn't going down the highway at 60 or 70 mile an hour. I'd just taken off, or I may not even be here to make the video. That's the way it goes, I guess.